Aloha everybody, it's Gina from Ohana Eats. Today we are in the beautiful town of Koolina. Before we get started, I want to thank you guys so much for watching our videos, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we are celebrating Isabella's 8th grade graduation. So we are over here at Longhi's to sample some of their famous cuisine, including the world famous Eggs Benedict and Mac Nut Pancakes. Let's go take a look.
So I got the Eggs Benedict. They're also called the world famous. So let's dig in. Oh, I love that. It's so cool, you know? It's just like the little pool of egg yolk. That's a beauty, mate. It is a beauty. Yeah, thumbs up. So I actually added the prosciutto onto it. It does not come with prosciutto, but it's really good. I definitely recommend it. So the bread is nice and toasted. The ham, not too salty. Normally ham is really salty, this one not too much. The egg has a really nice hollandaise sauce. The egg was like perfectly cooked, not overdone. And then overall, this is just really good. It comes with a pineapple and orange slice. The bread is a toasted baguette, you know, very fancy and really good. Definitely appreciate it. I would definitely recommend this.
So I got the Fettuccine Alfredo with the prosciutto on the side, which it has some peas on top and some cheese. Alfredo sauce, which is like a cream sauce for pasta. All right, so the creamy sauce is not too creamy and thick. It's actually kind of thin, but it like coats the pasta very evenly. And then the peas on the side, they aren't like individual peas, a full pea pod, which is actually really flavorful. And it goes very well with the pasta. And the cheese on top just adds like a little bit of sprinkle. I get Alfredo like all the time. Okay, it's a really good Alfredo.
All right, so I decided to go with the spicy shrimp and scallop salad today, and it comes with a little bit of macadamia nut, some cherry tomatoes, and a vinaigrette. So I started off with a bite of the scallop, and the seasoning that's on the outside is very similar to a Creole seasoning. It has a little bit of heat, like an afterburn. The vinaigrette has so much flavor packed into it. I definitely taste a little hint of honey. There's a little aftertaste of mint as well. It complements the seafood absolutely perfectly. The little cherry tomatoes and the macadamia nuts, there's just the perfect balance of crunch, seafood, flavor. This is really an excellent salad. So next up, I'm gonna try the shrimp. These shrimp are absolutely enormous. I cannot get over the size of this shrimp. So I cannot say that I've ever had a mint vinaigrette with a Creole spice, but I have to tell you, those two flavors complement each other so well. The mint just pulls off that little bit of burn from the Creole. Wow, this is just outstanding. I definitely would recommend trying the salad. This is really great.
So I went with the Hawaiian Mac Nut Pancakes. So these pancakes actually look really good. I'm gonna try one of these Mac Nuts. It has a really like intense macadamia flavor. Man, that's quality right there. Super hearty pancake. Got a great chewy texture. Reminds me more of a like a hot cake than a pancake. It's got good flavor. I'm also gonna try some of this coconut syrup here. It's thick. Nice strong coconut flavor. Really goes well with the pancake there. It's a good combo. I gotta say, the complexity of this pancake is awesome. But the great texture of the pancake, the subtle sweetness of the banana, the heartiness of the nut, that coconut syrup, along with the maple syrup, is a great combination.
We hope you guys enjoyed seeing our brunch over here at Longhi's. If you're in Koolina, you definitely have to check them out. I will throw the link for Longhi's down below and also the link for Isabella's beautiful Haku Lei. We hope you guys stay safe and aloha.